2 months after they were first promised, British Challenger 2 tanks and German Leopard-2 have finally been handed over to Ukraine in a move expected to significantly bolster Kyiv's armored firepower. The tanks, long on Ukraine's wish list for military hardware, were promised to Kyiv in January. German publication Der Spiegel reported on March 27 that Berlin had delivered Leopard 2 main battle tanks to Kyiv. Later, the German Defense Ministry stated that a total of 18 Leopard 2A6 tanks had been delivered. Previous reports in local German media suggested that the Ukrainian troops had completed their training for Leopard 2 tanks in Germany. It also noted that the trained crews and their tanks would be back in Ukraine in March. As per a recent announcement by the UK Ministry of Defence, the Ukrainian troops have also returned home after finishing their training on Challenger 2 tanks. This essentially means that the forces are ready to operate both NATO-style cutting-edge tanks as soon as the army fields them. The delivery of Challenger 2 tanks has been touted as significant as it has a powerful cannon and heavy frontal armor. Further, it will reportedly be supplemented by 20 Bulldog armored personnel vehicles and 30 AS-90 self-propelled artillery guns. Western military commentators suggest that Challenger 2 could considerably challenge the T-90 tanks and BMP fighting vehicles currently fielded by Russia and Ukraine. The Challenger 2 armor, sometimes known as the Chobham or Dorchester armor, is regarded as one of the best in the entire world. Its composition is a closely guarded secret, but being about twice as strong as steel, it can reportedly withstand a direct blow from a Russian T-72 tank. Furthermore, explosive reactive armor kits and additional bar armor could be installed during the conflict to add more protection to the Challenger 2 tank. According to experts, the key selling point of the Challenger 2 tank is the rifled Royal Ordnance L30 120mm main gun. This gun can deliver main armament rounds up to a range of around 4 kilometers. Moreover, the weapon can fire high explosive squash head rounds. These rounds are substantially more efficient against buildings and vehicles with thinner armor. Challenger 2 tanks entered service with the British Army in 1994 and were used for combat operations in the former Yugoslavia and Iraq, where they fared well.